242 Limited. It's got some overspray on it where they were doing some work at the dock or something, but it's got a pretty good hit on there, I will say. There's some overspray on there. It's all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna have to work with the water here. I removed a section right here. I haven't polished it, I just removed it. I had to shave it because if you notice, there's bigger dots. The bigger ones there, that's some hardener or something. Clay bar won't get it. So instead of just sitting there trying to get it off, I blade it. You can see where they're really large here. And it's got their traditional boat scratches and such. Here it's hit too. This is not like auto paint. That's going to take a little work to get that off, but I'll get it off. Plus, I'm going to polish it with my Rubus. I'm going to two-step that dude because it needs it. And that's it. The other side here. Everybody wants to start mowing when I show up. I don't know what it is, man. Every time I show up, people pull out their lawnmowers. It's hit over on this side too. You know, it's got some abrasions, you know. This thing's gonna look good when I'm done. I'm gonna polish every piece of it. All right. National Overspray Removal On-Site Service. We're Division of Paint Overspray of Texas. When we're in Texas, we're Paint Overspray Removal of Texas. When we're out of Texas, we're National Overspray Removal Service. But I'm noticing some paint defection right here. You can see where it's been taped off down there. I don't know what's going on with that. The other side is not like that. I believe someone tried to remove the overspray and taped it off and buffed it and all that. There's a good scratch right there. That's a pretty good scratch right there. Yeah, there's another one right there. That's a good one right there. Alright. Just give you a quickie on what it's looking like. Yamaha bitches. Right. Of course, I got two of those big old dots right there that it's not going to come off unless I shave it. There he goes. Right. Yeah, that does it. See, that takes it off. No compounds, no solvents. I don't have to compound this boat to get the overspray off. I don't have to sand coat it. You know, wet sand it and diminish the gel coat. Shit's on there, man. I can see the overspray in the water. Okay. I'm surprised this overspray is really sticking this hard. Normally it doesn't on a gel coat. Like I said, it's got some hardcore overspray on it. So I'm going to use my single edge carbon tip razor blade. No one wants to mow till I come over, man. Urgh. I swear I waited for that jerk off purposely for 10 minutes and now he starts it up. I'm going to go kill that motherfucker. Buffer with a compound on this side here, trying to get the overspray off. You can see the swirls in it. I'll take my Rubus. I'll use some medium on it. Trick is not to drop your buffer and get electrocuted. Let's go look down at this boat here. Now, I've removed the overspray. She's looking good. Okay. Polished it with the Rubus all the way to the very bottom. Look at that boat. That is perfect. Polished every piece of that dude. Plus remove the overspray. Look at that finish. It had quite a bit of overspray on it, to be honest with you. It was hit all the way to the very bottom lip, of which I got. Look at that. Overspray removed and polished. Oh, I even got these here. Took all the overspray off of here. All that. speakers, everything, glass, all that. All right, this here boat is done. Look at that finish. All the overspray is removed all the way to the very bottom of the boat. This was kind of difficult because, you know, water and electricity don't mix together real good, and basically had to kind of maneuver to get it done. But 3 hours later, it's done. All the overspray has been removed. This has been polished with my Rubus. All of the overspray off this here rack is gone. Remember how that sucker was hammered? Okay. So all that's been polished. The interior's been done. Look at that boat. All the way to the bottom. He had some serious overspray on this dude right here. It's polished now. I mean, this thing is ready to roll. This here side, like I said, all that's been removed off the overspray off that rack. That there is sweet. I don't like doing boats, but when I do a boat, I want to make sure it's perfect, if I can make it perfect. Look at that. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas, a division of National Overspray Removal. This Yamaha Limited is repaired.